Okay, due to some technical issues, some people have been removed from the seminar. Please join again later. Uh, Good evening to everyone, one and all present over here. On the occasion of World Wildlife Day, we cadets from 6 Car NCC Air Squadron Flight B Bangalore are presenting a small seminar regarding awareness among us and wildlife. So my co-cadet Akhilesh is gonna present seminar. Over to you, Akhilesh.
Good evening, everyone, one and all present here. I, Cadet Akhilesh Herkal from 6 Car Air Squadron NCC, would be presenting the seminar. As we all know how the wildlife is important for us. Now, things to know about. On December 20th, 2013, the United Nations General Assembly decided to proclaim 3rd March to be the celebrated as World Wildlife Day. And we should know the World Wildlife Day was proposed by Thailand. Matter of fact, right? Yeah. Importance of forest. The importance of forest cannot be underestimated. We depend on the forest for our survival, from the air we breathe to wood we use. Besides, providing habitats for animals and livelihoods from humans. Forest also offers the watershed protection, prevent soil erosion, and magnetite climate change. I know many of the things are known to us, but still, we should not forget them so easily. Causes of wildlife depletion, deforestation, poaching, uncontrolled fishing, releasing toxic materials, natural disaster. So as you can see in this, everything is interconnected. So uh, any imbalance in the atmosphere would lead to any other effects. Deforestation. Deforestation is a permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides the forest. This can include clearing of land for agricultural, grazing, or using the timber for fuel, construction, or manufacturing. Forests can cover more than 30% of Earth's land surface. This is according to the World Wildlife Foundation. Poaching. Poaching in law, the illegal shooting, trapping, or taking fish or plants from private property, especially where this practice has been forbidden. For example, some wildlife reserves and all. Poaching is a major existential threat for numerous wildlife organisms worldwide. Uncontrolled fishing. Uncontrolled fishing and overexploitation of marine resources by humans are also responsible for extinction of aquatic and amphibious varieties of animals and reptiles. Natural disaster. Forest fires as one of the major and a big news recent days, like in Australia in Amazon, the forest fire has uh, burnt most of the trees which are very precious for those countries. So, forest fire affects trees, birds, reptiles, insect species, and animals engulfed by the fire. So they will lose their lives, and forest fire, if the forest fire doesn't dosed in the time. Releasing toxic material. Releasing toxic materials such as pesticides and industrial influence leads to toxicity of water bodies like river, lakes, and it will lower the biochemical oxygen demand and result in elimination of aquatic life. Human Human wildlife conflict. Human wildlife conflict refers to the negative interaction between people and wild animals, with the consequences of both people and their resources and wildlife and their habitat. As we can see, many of the animals will come to our villages or come to the cities uh, because we are damaging their areas. So it's obvious that they will come for their food, and and it will take into a conflict. Wildlife education and training. Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun organized 9-month PG diploma and 3-month certification course on wildlife protected area managers at the professional and field technician level during 1991 to 1992. The institute also organized a zoo management course for middle level managers and technicians and 4-week course for 16 trainees from zoos and wildlife organization from different states. Now, let's discuss about most endangered species around the world. As we know, some of the species are getting extinct or at the age of extinction. Those are called endangered species. One of the endangered species, like one of the major endangered species, is black rhino. Location: it is found in southwest Africa with a population of 4,000. The Siberian tiger, which is found in Russia, northeast of China, and possibly in Korea, with a very less population, that is 450. Mountain gorilla, which are found in Central Africa with a population of 700. Ausbert turtle throughout the tropical water of Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans with a population of 8,000. Sumatran orangutan, Indonesian island of Sumatra with a population of 7,300. Amur leopard, Russia forest, which are located in Russia with the population less than 40. African wild dog. I know this may look similar to hyena, but still it is an African wild dog. Location: it is found in Sahara Desert, that is sub-Saharan Africa, with a population of 5,000. Galapagos penguin. It is found in north of the equator with a population just 600. Ganges river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphin is found in the Ganges, Brahmaputra, Megha, and Karnapuli Sangu river systems of Bangladesh and India with a population of just 1,000. And also, the Ganges river dolphin are one of the most bravest and brilliant dolphins of the dolphin species. Giant panda. These are located in Central Asia. My bad. Central China and in the Shaanxi and Gons provinces with a population of 1,800. Pangolin. It is found in India, China, South Asia, and part of Africa. The population is very less. Uh, it is not counted yet, but it is very less. So one of the major method to stop deforestation is afforestation, to bring the richness back to back to life. Afforestation is the establishment of a forest or a stand of trees in an area where there are no previous trees cover. Many government and non-governmental organizations directly engage in afforestation programs to create forest and increase the carbon capture. Shoot me with camera, don't shoot me with gun. Such a good quote, and very deep indeed. Save trees, save forest, save wildlife, save earth. We human beings are selfish. By saving this, indirectly we would be saved. Thank you and Jai Hind. So the link for the quiz would be sent as soon as link would be forwarded to you. Thank you and Jai Hind. I thank everyone to join this meeting. Now the link has been sent in the link has been put up in the chat box, so you can take the quiz and circulate it as much as possible, and you may leave the meeting. Thank you.